going on, folks? I'm gonna pick another one tonight. This one is from, oh, the lock's not from Sightless Senshi, but it's not built by Sightless Senshi, but it's from a trade I did with him. This one is actually made by Brian Grant, I believe is how you say his name, or is what his name is. And this one is Triple Threat, and it looks like this might be his third lock. If anybody knows, let me know. Bidding on the key. Kind of a tight spring, but lock works great. Yeah, one of the springs is really tight in there. While I'm clamping this up, if y'all haven't done it, go subscribe or go check out my Discord channel. Need some members. It's an awesome opportunity to get to know some of the other people. Right now I've got several guys on there, including Don's Lock, Leon's Lock Pad, Bronx Lock Picker. It's a great opportunity to actually get to live chat with them. You get to talk to them in real time versus email, and if we start getting enough people, maybe I can get them to get on and do voice chat, but that's later on down the road. So definitely a lot of opportunities there. And zoom on in. Here we are. Must have kicked the camera stand, that's why it seemed a little awkward where it was. Where the lock was. Alright. Let's see what we got. That was number 4. Number 2. Go the other way. That was number 3, I believe. No, number 2. Number 3 gave me a false set. Was number 4. Number 5 gave me a deeper false set. At this point I think I'm looking for either a T-pin or a really deep serrated spool. And it was a T-pin. Number 5 opened it up. So number 5 has got to be something like a wedding cake. Wrong part of the camera. And let's see here. Alright, I have to lock it back up because that ring won't come off without it. Alright. Use my clip remover that I got from Bronx. Awesome stuff, man. Keep it right on the workbench, right within reach. shim. Plug followers right there. Definitely glad I shimmed that, because that could have ended up being nasty. This is one of those little cheap Chinese cores. It's got all the grooves in the sides of it. You drop a T-pin in there, you're never gonna recover that thing. All the key pins are in and working. Yeah, I've been there, done that. That was a miserable day. So far, all these are standard key pins. Smooth core. Now, let's see what I've got up top. I only need one set of tweezers, not two. Number one was a T-pin also. Looks like that's a collar. No, that would be an ASA finger pin. Would be an ASA finger pin for the sidebar and like an ASA twin. That one came out like that. Another T-pin. And nice, an ASA spool. I'm gonna grab the last one from the other side. And yep, got the T-pin in number 5. And all smooth up top. Alright. Show you what he had in his lock. Got the got all standard key pins, T-pin in 1, the ASA finger pin in 2, the a T-pin in 3, an ASA spool in 4, and a T-pin in 5. And varying springs. Got steel, cut down copper, another steel, full copper, and then another steel. Alright folks, look forward to seeing y'all on Discord. Check out Sightless Senshi. I don't think Brian Grant has a YouTube channel. I will still check, and I will put his information in the description. But definitely go check out Sightless Senshi. Check out the Discord channel. Looking at possibly doing a giveaway towards the beginning of March, or maybe even over spring break time. We'll see what happens. But until next time, folks, keep it legal.